Hi friends, I am here to make an instructional video on how to share a Word document with me. First, you have to sign into your Office 365 account. It should be the same login that you have when you log into Office 365 in computer class, so you should know all of that. And then when you log in, it gives you this toolbar. You're going to click on Word to open a Word document. And then you're going to start a new blank document. And then once it loads, the first thing that you're going to want to do is click up here where it says document whatever number, and you are going to save it as your first initial and your last name and the word Saint Project. So it should look like that for everyone. First initial, last name, and then the word Saint Project. All you have to do is click out of that and it'll automatically save. And here in the paper is where you will type the answers to all of your questions. If my saint was Saint Elizabeth, that would be my title, and I can go ahead and make it a little bit bigger so it stands out, whatever. And then I would answer my questions. Remember, if you click up here, it'll automatically number your answers. Okay, so here are my fake answers. Lovely. When I am finished, I go up to this File button in the top left. And usually, you guys are probably used to this Save As, but I'm going to come down here to Share. And I want you to share this with people, specifically myself and Miss O'Donnell. So it says Send Link. Anyone with the link can edit, which means Miss O'Donnell and I can add things or comment on your work. So all you have to do is start typing my name, K. Weibel, and it'll come up right here. It says Karen Weibel, I'm your teacher. Add another, same thing for Miss O'Donnell, A. O'Donnell, and she comes right up as your teacher. Okay, so it should have our two names right there. And then all you have to do is click send. It'll say that your link was sent, and then I will receive that as an email so that I can comment and send them back to you. All right, I hope that helps. I hope that you are able to turn in your assignment that way to me. Thank you.